in our previous class we will understand GPS system, that and first part of the GPS system, that is the space segment. So in this today's class we remaining topic, that is the control segment and the user segment, we will continue. Okay, so this is our last class. Up to from this class our first unit is completed. Okay, so next is the second part, that is the control segment. Second part of GPS system is the control segment. So this is called as the shortcut CS. So this control segment is composed of four types. That is, first is part. First is the master control segment. Master control segment. That is called MCS. Second is the alternate master control segment. Third part is the four dedicated ground antennas. Okay, four dedicated ground antenna. And fourth one is the 6 dedicated monitor station. 6 dedicated monitor stations. Okay, so this is the control segment and this is the parts of control segment. That is, the control segment consists of these four types of part. First one is the master control segment, that is called the MCS. Second is the alternate master control segment. Third one is the 4 dedicated ground antennas. Fourth one is the 6 dedicated monitor stations. Okay. So a diagram of this control segment is available, and we can see, or we can send you in our group. So we will see in the description. So first is the master control segment. So what is the working of master control segment? So this MCS can also access, US Air Force satellite control network. Okay, this MCs can access US Air Force satellite control network, that is AFSCN. Shortcut we call as a, means master control segment MCs can access AFSCN, means US Air Force satellite control network. Then ground antennas. And what is the function of this ground antennas? That is, ground antenna is used for the additional command and the control capability. Okay, so this is the use of this ground antenna for the additional command and control capability. And NGA, that is National Geospatial Intelligence. NGA. This is called NGI. National Geospatial Intelligence. Okay, this is called the NGI, National Geospatial Intelligence Monitor Stations. Okay. So this is the This is the access point of master control segment. That is, master control segment can access US Air Force satellite control network, that is AFSCN, ground antennas for the additional connection, for the additional command and the control capability, and NGI, that is the National Geospatial Intelligence Monitor Stations. Okay, so satellite maneuvers. Here, satellite maneuvers means the the satellite needs movement for the more care and needs more care for this movement. So this is called the satellite maneuvers. So see, these satellite maneuvers are not precise by the GPS standards. That means the movement of satellite is not easy. That is the risk. So and this is not performed accurate and exactly by the GPS standard. So to change the satellite orbit, if we have to change the satellite orbit, the satellite must be marked unhealthy. Otherwise we cannot change the satellite orbit. Okay, so if the satellite is unhealthy, then receivers don't use it. So the receiver don't use it. So after then what we done, then after the satellite maneuvers, the engineer track the new orbit. Means if we have one satellite orbit and orbit is unhealthy, then engineer track the new orbit. Okay, then after that the new engineers track new orbit from the ground, upload the new ephemerism. That means ephemerism means the table or data which used to compute the exact position and exact location throughout the year. So that is called the ephemerism, the new ephemerism, and mark the satellite again healthy. Okay, this is the functioning of MCS. That is, first of all, MCS can access AFSCN ground antennas for the additional command and control capability, and NGI, that is the National Geospatial Monitor Station. Satellite maneuvers are not precise by the GPS standards. So to change the satellite orbit, the satellite must be unhealthy. So receiver don't use it. Then again, after the satellite maneuvers, the engineer track the new orbit from the ground, upload the new ephemerism, upload the new tables or data to calculate the exact position and mark the satellite healthy. Then again, next operational control segment, that is OCS, operational control segment. That is called the OCS, operational control segment. So what is the functioning of operational control segment? The operational control segment currently serves as the control segment of record. Means it can control. This is the control segment for the record. This is used or operated or serves to control record. Okay, this is the functioning of OCS. Means it serves as the control segment for the record. It provides the operational capability. So what is the functioning? It provides operational. So this is the working of this operational control segment. It serves as a control segment for record. And functioning, it provides the operational capability that support GPS, Okay, it provides the operational capability that support GPS users and keep the GPS system operational and performing within the specification. Support GPS users and keep the GPS system operational and performing within specification. Okay, so this is the working of operational control segment. This is the working of control segment. Then another part is the operational control segment. So operational control segment currently serves as the control segment for the record. It provides operational capability that support GPS users. GPS users means we that use a mobile phone, car, watches, etc. by using the satellite connections, satellite signals. Okay, so we are the GPS users. Then capability, operational capability that support GPS users and keep the GPS system operational, active and performing within the specifications. Okay, so this is the use of operational control system or working of operational control system. So in that type we complete the working of control segment. Okay, starting then I repeat again. Control segment consists of 4 major parts, that is the master control segment, alternate master control segment, 4 dedicated ground antennas, 6 dedicated monitor stations. So in our overall control segment, that are the 4 parts. There are 4 ground antennas available there and 6 monitor stations. Okay, so this is the working of control segment. So in our next class we will see the last topic of this GPS system, that is the user segment. Okay, thank you.